All right, fart fans, got a special one here. Got a grain train coming into Brunswick. Watch it go through the switch. I like this part. But it's a BNSF-CP-CSX. Don't usually get those in Brunswick, not that lashup. And it's farting, I hear it ticking. Little farts. Come on, give me a better one than that. Hot diggity dog, the train didn't run over a frog. Got some ticky farts, but no really good farts. But there it is going through the switch, and I'll try harder next time. And we'll fart at you later.